TD Bank is changing fees in 2026. Here's how it could affect your balance. Expect higher maintenance fees, new ATM and paper statement charges, and updated overdraft rules. Changes take effect January 1st, 2026. Check your account notice for exact details. Accounts with low or infrequent balances are most likely to be affected. Example: a $12 monthly fee costs $144 a year, nearly 29% of a $500 balance. Next, 3 simple balance examples to show potential yearly impact. With a $12 monthly fee, $500 loses $144, 29%. $2,500 loses $144, 5.8%. $10,000 loses $144, 1.4%. What you can do: review your account terms and fee schedule right away. Look for fee waiver options. Minimum balances, direct deposit, or linked accounts can help. Reduce fees by switching to a no-fee account, using in-network ATMs, and choosing e-statements. If fees still bite, contact TD customer service to ask about alternatives or negotiate options. Review your account terms today and protect your balance before 2026 changes take effect.